When people come to me wanting help buying their first STRs, I always hear the same 3 reasons why they can't do it. But before I break those down, let me tell you how learning a better system changed everything for me, as well as the hosts and other students that work with me. So when I was first getting into STRs, I spent months comparing cities, staring at all the AirDNA charts, and binging YouTube videos, just like you're probably doing. I kept asking, what if I pick the wrong market? What if I blow all of my savings? What if the data's off? Meanwhile, I wasn't doing anything, so I was pretty much wasting my time. Once I started trusting my gut and I started using a simple manual framework for deal structure, everything changed. No more spreadsheet paralysis, no more waiting on perfect conditions, just real aha type logic, real underwriting, and real coaching support that helped me move forward. Now I help investors close their first STR in 90 days without needing AirDNA, all the expensive tools, or blind trust in all the random online gurus that don't really have real experience and negotiation power to help you actually land the deals you're trying to buy. But here's the thing, most first-time investors let these 3 beliefs keep them from ever making an offer. And trust me, I get it. You're afraid to make the wrong move. We all are. But here's the truth. The best investors that I coach are the ones that are following the process, and they do not have perfect data, but they're willing to trust in a process that we've been proving for 5 years straight. And in that process, they're landing deals that are making money that are off the charts compared to the data that shows low income for all the properties that they're actually investing near. We have a special way of analyzing those properties that is unique to what we teach in STR Legend. You don't need to guess, you just need a system. And most people think they just need more research, more info, more videos, more savings. They need all of that before they can even start to consider writing an offer or actually practicing what they've been learning. What they really need is real-time support and a clear first step with somebody that can negotiate on their behalf, which is exactly what we do differently. Inside our community, we start by underwriting practice deals together as a team. This gives you a real shot at learning how to look at these deals with 0 risk. And then we work towards making those offers with full support from our team that can actually negotiate on it, design it for you, set it up for you, and even manage it for you if you don't want to do that part. The best part though is we're going to teach you how to do all of that so you can be self-sufficient no matter what. Trying to build an STR portfolio without mentorship is like building a house without blueprints. You do not need to figure it out yourself. Every week we review deals as a team. We do it live on Zoom, and we actually walk through the approvals, and we discuss how to negotiate on it and how to actually get the contract under the terms that you want. And as each person knocks down deal after deal, we celebrate those wins as a group. This is exactly why I offer a free 15-minute call. I want to help you, all the new and struggling hosts out there, get out of research mode and into momentum. We'll talk through your situation, run through your numbers, and see if this 90-day plan with you is actually going to make sense. If you're serious about getting your first STR deal done with no guesswork and no overpriced fluff, now's the time. Click the link below and book the call. Let's finally get you moving.